Hey guys, in today's video I am sharing a tour of my guest bedroom and bath. But before I start the tour, I wanted to point out a few simple budget-friendly changes that I made in the space since the last tour. If you've been with my channel long enough, you might remember that I did a makeover on this Bombay chest several years ago. And unfortunately, I don't have a before picture. It was in a French country design, which I love, but the color just wasn't right for my decor. So I did give it a makeover with a silver paint from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so this is the paint that I used on the dresser, and I got it from Hobby Lobby. It was $7.99. And I always use my 40% off coupon. And so this is the original knob, and when I got it, the knob was more in a brass color. But when I painted the chest, I wanted to give it a different look, so I added these knobs that I got from Hobby Lobby. Well, now that I wanted to add more gold into the space, I went back to the original handles and I gave them a coat of gold spray paint. And so I like them both actually. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and replace all of the knobs with the original handles, and then if I change my mind later, I can always go back. Okay, so if you guys saw my Christmas video, you might remember that I mentioned that I was going to make over this leather chair. This is a low-rise recliner, and it did have some damage on the arms. And so I wanted to give it a makeover similar to the makeover that I did on my silver chairs in my study. So I'm not sure if I have the before picture. If I do, I will put a picture on the screen. But this is how it looked after I painted it. Now it was just a cream leather, and so I used a metallic paint. Okay, so this is the bathroom attached to the guest bedroom, and I didn't do any fancy decorating in here, just a good cleaning, and added a few decor pieces. Now this bathroom will get a simple makeover with paint, hopefully this spring or fall, not making any promises. This is a room that's never hardly used, so it's not high on my priority of things to do. Now, someone asked in one of my tours why I had a shower curtain and a shower door. Now, it may seem weird to many of you, but to me, it makes a good sense. So, when I first moved in, I hated these shower doors, and I still do. So at first, I used to keep the curtains closed all the time. But I wanted to bring some softness in through decorative tiles, and the curtains would cover my towel bar. So I decided to expose one side for decorative tiles, and then leave the other side with the curtain just to soften all of the hardware. And it works for me. It may not work for everyone, but it works for me. And these are regular window panels that I'm using for shower curtains. So now let's start the tour. Okay guys, so if you liked this video, would you give it a thumbs up? Share this video if you like. And if you have any questions or if you have a comment, please leave it in the comment section below. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe.